gonna miss this. Like, I'm gonna really miss this. So sad. Why couldn't I live here? Good morning, guys. So I'm up. I think I've been up from about after 6. It is Sunday morning, and yeah, I'm outside on the balcony just taking in the view. You know, last night my eye was like super red. Yeah, I was tired. Cause didn't get much sleep the night before. Cause I like wanted a blanket and I asked, but like I waited too late. Not gonna lie. Before I went and asked, so like by the time I went down there, the persons that were supposed to give out the blanket kind of gone. But yeah. So yesterday we asked for blankets and I got it. So I was in cold. Yeah, I was in cold. So today, since church will be like on 9, I can listen in on church at some point. I know I'll be at Sunday school. So yeah, Sunday school is at 9. Church is at 10. I think I want to do beach today. Not sure if we're gonna do the reservation restaurant today. I don't know. Maybe. So yeah, we might do that today. I'm gonna ask the girls if they still want to do the reservations thingy today. And then we have to make the reservations early. So yeah, but this is just sitting out here chilling on my own, just on the balcony, you know. So yeah, the sound of the waves. If you look at me, sounds a bit like right now. But anyways, the sound of the waves is like calming. Hi. Hi. Good morning, guys. So it is Monday and it is the last day of my vacation. So this is gonna be the view for the last morning. So right now we actually went to the beach early this morning. I'll show you a picture of me. Same basket I wore yesterday because couldn't bother. But anyways, so we're gonna have breakfast now. It's like after 8. It's Monday, so you know it's kind of school day. I don't have any class today, but I have to register students, register myself. But yeah, so that's already done. So we're gonna have breakfast now, and then we come back up and bake. Because we're gonna be able to just rinse off and then just put on clothes. Because breakfast ends at 10, and we want to get good breakfast today. Yeah, then we're gonna come back up, get ready, then just sprawl around, park and all that. So yeah, it was a great experience, not gonna lie. Before coming here in like corona time, I was kind of, because me and my anxiety, so I'm up. So yeah, I was kind of scared, but from the minute to reach, fear gone. It was nice, not gonna lie, it was amazing. So I can't wait for summer to reach, which is like 2 months away. For we're gonna start saving for this, like the minute we get back. Like we need one more of these. So yeah, that's what's going on for this morning. Yeah, and I'll show you guys what I have for breakfast. And I don't talk a lot, I just like show you guys the scenery and whatnot. But this morning we're going to show you the breakfast and like what I'm having. And wow, yeah. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the view. I want to take it to you because you know we're not see this again tomorrow morning. Talk truth. There's a banana leaf tomorrow. Hi. They're sad and they're doing school. I'm the freest one here. Hi. How has your trip been?
It has been wonderful. I could go home now.
You don't want to go home?
I don't want to go home.
How was your trip then? Just that? Just that? What does that mean? Anyways, so yes guys, last look at the room. It kind of messy right now because yeah, we're gonna fix it up and whatnot and pack up the clothes. This was my bed, this was Shining's bed, and that's Sylvia's bed. Yeah, and I already did see what in our room. I don't know why I'm still showing. but just a last look. In case you did not see the vlog where I did the room tour, you should go and check it out. It's much more detailed. But yes, we're gonna have breakfast now, and then oh, so this is what I actually wore yesterday. Not sure if I showed you guys my OOTD. I wore this yesterday, wearing it today to go to breakfast, and then we're gonna come back and get ready to go home. Yeah. Hi guys, so this is what we're having for breakfast this morning. Last breakfast here. The sad faces. Hi guys, so I'm ready. This is what I'm wearing. Bye room. I'm gonna miss you. Bye. Yes guys, this is my OOTD for going home. Yeah.